Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mimi's Makeup. So let's go for the question of the day. So can you name your 5 favorite beauty gurus? Okay, Nikki Tutorials, Carly Bible, Pixie Woo, especially Nick, who else? Okay, Shannon, or like Shan XO, like for the XO beauty. Who else? I need one. I need one more. Um, who? Kristen Dominique. I love her at the moment. I don't know if I say her name right. But I'm gonna write them all in the description box down below just in case. So these are my 5 makeup gurus, my favorite at the moment. So yeah, so this is for this question. So let's go to the next one, the next video, and I'm gonna see you soon. Bye.